Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on the most popular way to export your video from Premiere Pro. When you're done with your project, just press Ctrl M on Windows or Command M on macOS. Yes, you can go the long way with the file, export media, but I recommend always using shortcuts. Here on the left you see a preview of your video, and on the right you see different render settings. If you want to export only part of your project, drag these little things to select a piece to render. However, there is a more professional and accurate way to do it. Just go back to your project's timeline, hit I on the start point, then hit O on the end point and press Ctrl M to render your selection. Book. H.264 is the most common video format, so it's perfect for general exporting. Use one of these adaptive presets. Adaptive high bitrate results in high quality video, but the file size will be large. You can find an estimated file size here. To change the name of your file and pick a folder where it will be saved, click on this blue text. Make sure you're exporting both video and audio. If you want your video to be silent, just untick this checkbox. If you are not limited in time, tick Use maximum render quality. It lengthens the render time but gives better quality. You are now ready to hit export and encode your video. But before you're exporting your video, make sure that it has perfect and unique music in it. If it doesn't, visit taketones.com. You'll find tons of awesome music, and each track has 15, 30 and 60-second versions that you can easily loop, which is very convenient. Also make sure to check out the cool video effects. See you later!